Right.
Timer start now.
Just today, I asked 50 people about what they know in tech. As what I have expected, only few of them have an idea of what investment is. Most of them said that investment is just for wealthy. But I told them it's not. Investment is for everyone who have the starting capital of as low as 5,000 pesos and those who have the capability to manage and monitor their stocks or investments. By the way, I'm Jeremy Pimandia. I'm going to talk about the nature of stock markets and how it can increase the amount of money you earn. The stock market is essentially an investment opportunity where we can be business partners of famous businessmen and companies in the Philippines. What do I mean with this? Most of the companies here in the Philippines is not owned by a single person only. Let's take SM Supermalls as an example. We all know that SM Supermalls is owned by Mr. Henry C. But would it surprise you if I would tell you that it's not owned by him only? Neither 10 or 20 people own this. Thousands of people have possession in SM Supermalls. But how is this possible? For most companies to expand, they need more factories, more materials and supplies, and more people to work. To generate fund for this, they sell share to other people and to other companies. So, if you buy a stock of these companies, then you'll now be a stockholder, meaning you have a share in the profit of these companies. The performance of these companies will reflect on your investment. So, according to Calgary, Canada Charles, the main principle of stock market is to buy low and sell it high. You earn here in two ways. First, by getting dividends from your share, which is your part in the profit of these companies. The other one is by selling your stocks. There are some times when the value of stocks decreases and suddenly increases. So, if you found out the value of stocks decreases, then you have not to sell your share yet. On the other hand, if you found out that it's increasing, you can sell your share. The more amount of money you earn, the more amount of money they earn too. The key is just the proper amount of time or the proper timing and the proper selection of the companies where you will put your money. It is very essential to know which are the companies which continue to grow in the next 20 years, because your success in this field highly depends on their performances. Furthermore, stock market is like any other businesses. Sometimes you gain and sometimes you lose. What you have to do when you got involved in this kind of investment is just to develop your discipline and patience in managing, monitoring, and selling your stocks. That's all. Thank you for listening. Safe investing, everyone.